Okay, so we've covered the three main things of managed care. We've got the hard drive monitoring programs, two of them that determine if your hard drive is going bad and see if we can prevent you from having a disaster in the future. The next one is those updates and patches. We're going to be remoting in and applying all those Microsoft and third-party updates behind the scenes and doing a tune-up on your computer several times throughout the year. And the third thing is that crypto locker and Malwarebytes mitigation. That doesn't mean we're guaranteed you're not going to get it, but this is the best thing across the globe that's going to prevent the crypto locker virus getting proliferated around your home or your office network. But there are several other things you need to know as well. To start with, take a look at my screen over here. When you sign up for managed care, you're going to have two programs put on your computer. One of them is this one right here. It's a little red heart and it says On-Site Consulting Managed Care. That just lets you know that we're monitoring, patching, and updating and monitoring your computer in the background. Now you're going to see that here in the programs and features. You know how you can uninstall a program? We just want to make sure you know the name of it so you don't accidentally uninstall it. Let's see, it's about halfway through here. Here it is. It's from a company. It says IT Support 24/7 Continuum Managed Services. That's the program you do not want to uninstall. And if you do it accidentally, we will notice on our side and we'll contact you and have to remote in and put it back. So please don't take it off. There's another program though too called LogMeIn. LogMeIn is a really famous program that lets you remotely access your computer from afar. Now this isn't just for us in case we need to remote in, it's for you as well. So for every computer that has managed care installed, you can remote into that computer from your home, your business, or if you're on vacation. So it will not be showing up. Another thing is we cannot get in your computer without your permission. So there's no way in the world that that program is going to be running unless you call us and set up a time where we could remote in there and activate the program. That just involves doing some stuff on our side, setting you up with a name and a password so you can remote in. And again, we cannot remote in either unless we have your Windows login password. So those are the things you'll see on your computer screen, and those will be running on your computer. The next thing though, there are a couple things that we're going to be adding to the managed care program. One of them is priority service. You know, right now we usually have 12 or 14 computers here in the office needing some work done, some updates and virus removal and so forth. And if you come in, you're normally number 15. Well, being a managed care client, we're going to give you priority level tickets. We're going to email one of these to you as well as have some of these here in the office. But if you ever bring something in, you got to mention this to us so we can make sure to label your computer as a priority and you immediately go to the front of the line. Right now we're charging $40 for priority level service, but you get that for free. The next thing is free 4-hour hardware diagnostics. Sometimes we're just honestly not sure if there is something wrong with your computer that we just can't tell remotely, so we'll have you bring it in, do a free hardware diagnostics. That's normally $40 for that, and that's going to be waived for all managed care clients. There's also be 10% off hourly rates. So whether you bring it into the shop or we go on site, we're going to give you 10% off the labor costs for all the work that you have done through us. And finally, you're going to get free LogMeIn remote access. We mentioned that before. It's a $150 value per year. Normally you would pay that to LogMeIn to get the service, but this is included in the service for free. We cannot log into your computer without your username and password, so we can't get in, but you are welcome to get in whenever you need to. So with all those features, that's kind of my managed care in a nutshell. If you have any more questions, send us an email or give us a call. Thanks. Have a great day.